Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。
Chokdi Sindit Farlock, happy birthday! Hi, T. A happy birthday to you. Hope you are in good health, physically, morally, and mentally. Also, I would like to thank you for the kindness, countless selfless acts of love and kindness that you've shown to us through these years, and most especially during our tough times. Please, you're not getting any younger, right? Please pamper yourself once in a while. Go somewhere peace and quiet, relax, and reflect. Away from work. You've been working too hard since you are a kid, trying to help anyone who asks in need. You're indeed a good Samaritan to many. Again, our heartfelt gratitude and happy birthday.
Hi, Dite. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dite!
Happy birthday, Dite.
Wishing you good health, happiness, and more birthdays to come. Dila.
Happy birthday, Tita ko. Happy birthday, Tita ko. Happy birthday, Tita ko. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita ko. Mama. Happy birthday, Tita ko. Happy birthday, Tita ko. Happy birthday, Tita ko. Yeah. Hi, Tita ko.
For your birthday, we wish you good health with a strong body and strong mind. Thank you for providing for us and for taking care of us all these years.
Thank you for all the ample you give me.
Happy
birthday!
Anniversary birthday, and I really wish you all the best, good health, stay happy, stay healthy, stay away from stress, stay away from worry, and huwag mong i-worry ang problema ng Pilipinas, huwag mong problema ng problema ng Pilipinas kasi kay BBM hindi mo yun problema. Huwag ka nang magalit kay BBM kasi mag-stress ka lang, so manood ka lang ng mga vlog ng mga sasasaya, yung pupunta ka sa ibang lugar, makakain ka ng makikita ka ng masasarap na mga pagkain kasi napagaling mo naman ang critics. And I really wish you all the best of luck and stay happy forever and be healthy forever and stay young forever and keep up your charity works. Alam ko masaya ka mag-charity, hindi na kita pipigilan dyan kasi alam ko masaya ka mag-charity. Wala na akong opposition, hindi na ako mag-opposition dahil gusto mo mag-charity. And I really wish you all the best and more money to come, good health, good luck, good wealth, and stay young forever. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come and good health always. Isa lang may masasabi ko sa iyo. Salamat sa lahat. At alam mo na yun, kasama na doon sila Ate Janet, Kuya Jose, Kuya Tony, ug Bibing, na siya na rin kaagapay sa iyong buhay. once again, happy birthday.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. I hope many more birthdays to come. And sana mahis na natin ang jackpot sa loto. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday. God bless you always and good health. Thank you sa lahat.
Hi, Kuya. Age is a matter of feeling, not years. Happy birthday! God bless!
Hello Kuya, happy birthday. Stay healthy.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Sana marami pang birthday darating sa buhay mo. Tapos, good health. Salamat sa lahat sa tulong mo, Kuya. I love you as a boss.
Happy birthday, sir. Wish ko lang na bigyan ka ng malakas na katawan. Thank you very much for everything. Happy birthday.
Birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless and good health. Thank you sa lahat.
Hello sa mababait naming Big Boss. Happy birthday, Kuya Titi. Wish na ko nga unta tagaan pa ka ni Lord og more birthday ug maayong panglawas adlaw-adlaw. Ug daghan kayong salamat, Kuya, sa mga advice nimo nako. Daghan kayong salamat nga ikaw ako ang ikaduhang tatay diri sa Kimchuan. Ug salamat kaayo unta tagaan pa ka ni Lord og more birthday. Thank you kayo, Kuya, sa tanan. Happy birthday ulit. Bye.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Kuya. More birthdays to come. Thank you kasi inalalayan mo kami. Hindi mo kami pinapabayaan. Salamat kasi nandyan ka para sa amin lahat. And thank you, Kuya. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Kuya Titi. More blessings to come.
Happy birthday, sir. Enjoy your birthday and good health always. I wish you the best of everything. Enjoy, sir.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Wishing for you a good health day by day. And thank you for being lovable, boss, and understanding to all of us, Kuya. Happy birthday again, Kuya. Enjoy your day. More birthday to come.
Maligaya pong bati sa iyong kaarawan, sir. Sana marami pa pong kaarawan at biyaya ang darating sa iyong buhay. Bigyan ka pa ng malusog at malakas na pangangatawan sa pang-araw-araw. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday Kuya. Hoping all your birthday wishes come true.
Happy birthday, Kuya. More birthdays to come. Thank you sa lahat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Sige. Sige. Sige na.
Ayos ka, ayos. Tingin ito.
Tingin ko.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya.
Sige mo.
Away,
Yay! Ulit daw ba? Happy
Birthday, Kuya.
Kuya!
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Yes.
Yay.
Happy birthday, Bushi. Happy birthday, Bushi. Happy birthday, Bushi.
Happy birthday, Kuya Titi.
Happy birthday, Kuya Titi.
Happy birthday, Kuya Titi.
Happy birthday Kuya.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday Titi.
Happy birthday, Tito.
We wish you more birthdays to come. And God bless and guide you always.
Sana, Kuya, bigyan ka ng malakas na pangangatawan. At sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday na dumating sa buhay mo. Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday.
Tito.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya.
This is your cake.
We made this, Charles.
Yeah.
Isa siya nga mo.
It's so beautiful and so yummy. Yeah.
Amin tayo. Hindi, tingnan ko yung mukha. Okay na.
Ikaw. Yay! Here's the serious move. Happy birthday, Kuya. And wish you all the best in life. And stay healthy. And
Stay kind. And salamat sa
everything.
yes, everything.
More birthdays to come. And more candles to blow.
And sana maglago pa yung business mo. And more customers come.
Yeah. That's all. Thank you for everything. And bye-bye.
Happy birthday again, Kuya. Bye-bye.
Hello, Kuya. Wishing you a very happy birthday. So, in this special day, I hope you are surrounded by joy, laughter, and all the people who hold a special place in your heart. May this year bring you abundant blessings and delightful memories that you will cherish for a lifetime. You truly deserve the best. Happy birthday once again, Kuya. Enjoy your day to the fullest and know that you are loved and appreciated more than words can express.
Hi, P! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Enjoy your day! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Kuya. Thank you for everything. More birthdays to come. God bless. I love you.
Ano talaga kita?
Happy kaya po. Bye-bye.